The Great Flood. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Embark on it. In the name of God, be its sailing and its anchoring. Hurried. After the great ark was completed, it started to rain heavily. It looked as if the rain was never going to stop. The whole village was getting flooded. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told Nuh alayhi salam to embark on the ark and take with him a pair of each animal species. Thus, the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam, along with his believers and a pair of each species, boarded on the ark, which moved forward, floating on the huge mountain like water waves. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My Lord, I take refuge with you from asking you something of which I have no knowledge. If you do not forgive me and show me mercy, I shall be one of the losers. Hud. The Prophet Nuh's son was among those who had rejected Allah's call. Nuh alayhi salam called out to his son, "O my son, embark with us and do not be among the deniers." But his son did not listen to him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was very unhappy with all those who did not believe in the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. He wanted to drown all people who did not follow the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. So, all those wicked people were drowned in the flood. But the ark was safe for Nuh alayhi salam and his followers and all the animals which were there in pairs.